Okay, I gotta hang up. I got like 8 fish coming in here. Alright, bye.
Jeepers.
There's a fish still on the far left.
There's two on us. And then there's one way to the left there.
Look, he's going up for the shark. He's thinking about it. He's the same size.
Baby shark doo. I got one on the bottom too.
He is on the shark. He's like, I can't fit that thing in my mouth.
Oh, he's coming down. He's coming down, boys. Oh.
He did not like that. Oh, there's 2 fish fighting each other.
Yeah. Oh, he's coming back.
It's weird they're hugging bottom.
There we go.
Oh, he's hooked up.
I'll grab this camera over here. First one of the season, boys. Get her. Oh, a little walleye.
Nice.
Hooked him on the bottom. Look at that.
Let's get a measure on him.
Yeah. He might be going in the pan. There's another one. There's still the one's still down there too.
Where is the ruler? Oh, it's under the stuff.
Little walleye. Put him on the board.
13?
Yeah. Is he a keeper, bud?
What do you need to keep here?
Well, our slot. Oh no, he's almost 14, isn't he?
Yeah.
I think you can keep him, can't we?
We'll look it up.
Nice little keeper.
Oh, sorry.
That was
turn the camera there for you.
That was fish vlog 8. Managed to get that one.
Oh, one right under me. 2 right under me.
Yeah, fuck.
One's right on it. Just hit it. Can't be that big. Come on, hit the minnow. They're like sitting on it. I wonder what they are. Look at that other one's taking off now.
Yeah, still one there.
Oh, he's coming back for you. He's coming. I don't know if that one's just hugging the bottom under me still, or... What if you reel up?
Lift up?
Reel. I don't know where you are in the column.
I don't. There's a fish down there still.
Yeah,
Underneath
right.
my daddy. Here it comes.
See, they're losing that. Oh, he's down on the ground. Hit that dead stick. There's 2 there. There's 2 on the bottom. Oh, he hit it. Take off with it now. Come on, go. Go, go, go.
Yep.
There we go. You get that off there?
Let's go, baby.
Tighten that drag a little bit. There we go.
Boy. See here, bud.
What's that? It's all wrapped.
Going for the trifecta today. Just need a whitey down.
There we go. First fish of 2023. What do we say? 13 inches maybe?
Hold him up this way. That's crazy, eh? He grabbed both of your dead sticks.
There we go.
He's a hangry one. That fish is brought to you by Pepsi. That's insane, man. I thought you had two. Especially because there was more.